next week.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so it's been crazy for cleaning. I didn't know how
Yeah.
much cleaning I should do. Then today was my second son's birthday. So
Oh.
originally I was going to his dinner, but then he understands. So we decided to on the weekends.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, no, my family has moved like 5 times, and so we know like we always are cleaning.
Okay. Do you um do you understand that?
Yeah, I think I did, I think I had to do it a few times, but I did most of it in Excel, and so then yeah, it wasn't
Yeah.
so bad.
Um yeah, the statistics is getting harder for me though.
Yeah, no, it's getting harder for me too.
Okay, but when I did an Excel, every number was actually right about that.
Okay, good. Yeah.
So let me see. Part two is the design study. So
Mhm.
we are implementing the new what is the new procedure for the
Yeah.
9 people
Hmm.
for the complete the 100 product is which one is the best, right?
Hmm. Yeah. Um, and so do you want me just to start number three?
Yeah.
Okay, so for design the study, what is the question? I felt like a lot of these questions were really like up to you. And so for what is the research question, I said, um, after we implement this new procedure, is the time for the worker going to be different?
Right, right.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Mhm.
Uh, B is the state the null and alternative hypothesis. So null hypothesis is the equal to zero, and
Mhm.
alternative is not equal to zero, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
So is the mu different?
Yeah, so the mu in this case is going to be, I think, um, you take the difference between the two sets of data and then take
Uh-huh.
the average of that.
I
And
Yeah.
then so it'd be like that minus zero. So for example, for the mean for the D, I got 1.055.
Oh, okay. I have the
Let me check it.
uh yeah, I just played a little bit with this, so
Hmm.
my numbers get a little bit scrubbed down. Um, Standard deviation 2 point. A second. The 2 point. Thank you. 59596. Okay. Yeah, I got that now. All right. So where am I? Okay. Describe the data collection procedure. That's what we are on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we
So
uh
we just I think we just had to find the mean of the differences, the standard deviation of the differences, and then n.
oh,
And
okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So I have a different. It looks not right then. That's not right. The 2.542.
2.5. That's really close to what I have for the standard deviation.
Standard deviation, I have a 2.596.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay, and then sample size is 9.
Hmm. Yep. Yeah, and so and then it wanted you to make some histograms. I did figure out how to do it. It was really complicated though. I had to like
Okay,
have an
yeah,
add-on onto my Excel.
yeah, yeah, I did that
Oh,
too.
you did that? Okay.
I
All right.
remember now. So, what is the t value for it?
For the t-value, I got 1.219.
Oh,
Is that what you got?
so no, I originally I have like a 1.056. according to what I put first, the variable 1 and variable 2 and difference. But I just play with a different number plug in. So I have a different screen. So
Okay.
yeah, but originally I had those the
Okay.
1.056.
Mm-hmm.
Number 6, what type of hypothesis test is the appropriate? So this is ongoing thing that we gotta have a sample size greater than 30 and a sample collection from random sample.
Yeah.
Right? Random, yeah.
Yeah. And this type of test is a two-tailed
Right.
because it's on both sides.
Right. Yeah. Okay. What are the requirements for this test?
Yeah, you kind of answered that. The normal distribution, the random sample.
All right. And C is the compute the difference between 2 times and determine if the requirement met for the test. So
Yeah.
what is actually between 2 times?
What was that?
On the question is the 2 times, in 2 times, and the determine if the requirements are met.
Oh, yeah. So for this one, you actually, because it is well, the n is less than 30, it means we have a small sample size. So we actually have to plot it, the QQ plot, so that we can make sure the test is normal. And so
that means,
I'm
sorry, go ahead.
Oh, so to do that, I think I just selected the data, the difference, and then put it in like a scatter plot kind of graph.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I didn't. I can't remember exactly how I did it. But if you look at the answer chart, it has like a picture for you.
Yeah, he showed it, and then are you use the Apple computer?
Yeah.
Okay. Because what he explained and my screen is a little different. So.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the old computer, so I don't know.
Yeah. But yeah, that's how you do have to do it because the sample size is small. You'd have to graph it and make sure it's normal.
So that means that if we have the QQ plot, that time that we have a sample size is smaller. That's what we do the QQ plot. Is that right?
Yes. Yeah.
All right. Okay, gotcha. So G is continue to the rest test regardless of what you find in the part C. Complete the test statistics.
So we kind of went over this. For T, I got 1.22.
Yeah, me too. I got the one. Yeah. And then state of degree of freedom. So we always like sample size -1, so which is 8.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then for the p-value, this is when we'd have to put it in the probability applet and then the degrees of freedom. I got 0.257.
Oh, okay. So I plug in to 0.257. That's the that was my actually my the Excel's got a p-value come up 0.034.
Oh. I see. I put my data into that little thing and it came up like 0.99999. Like my t-value is off and everything, so maybe I did it wrong. But I had to go back and find the applet with the degrees of freedom.
I see. But this p-value still was bigger than alpha was this is 9.
Yeah. It's
So
yeah.
alpha 0.05, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And so we would fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Right. That's what I got, that G.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And then we are going to no, the H.
Oh, H, yeah.
present your conclusion in the form of the English statement. So we have insufficient evidence because we had only 9 samples.
Yeah. Mhm.
That's right.
And then for I, to do instead, I think it asks, instead of testing the hypothesis, you just wanted to do the 95% interval. Um, and so you'd have to like go into the probability applet and type in 95% and then use using the t distribution. For those numbers, I got.
So do I put the p-value putting on the point? It was a 0.196 if it's a 9. Isn't that right?
For what?
The p-value if it's a 95%,
Mm-hmm.
isn't it was like a 0.196?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep. And then for number 7,
Mm-hmm.
just kind of like left up to you. I guess I would find another way that you could reduce the time because that plan didn't really work. So
Right. This one doesn't make any difference,
yeah.
much difference. So maybe different type of the implementation needed though. That's
Mhm.
what I
Yeah.
that's what I got. Have you done for quiz?
I have not. No, not yet.
Okay, I was going to do it as soon as I finish this then.
Mhm.
All right, good
All right.
luck.
Oh,
Huh?
one more thing.
Yeah.
No, just kidding. I'll be fine. I'm going out of town next weekend, but I should be back by Tuesday morning. So it's fine. Never mind.
All right, and I'm gonna see you on Thursday morning.
Yep, Thursday morning.
Okay, I'll see you then.
All
All
right.
right, bye.
See ya. Bye.